In this lesson, we'll go over solving absolute value inequalities. Specifically, we'll apply what we've discussed previously with inequalities and absolute value to be able to solve absolute value inequalities by graphing the solution on a number line. Example 1, graph the solution to the inequality on the number line. So example A, absolute value of x is greater than 2, which means that we want x values that are more than 2 away from 0. Just as a visual, we have 0, more than 2 away, more than 2 away. Since it's a greater than, we use an open circle at the endpoints. Our endpoints here are 2 and -2. And we're talking about values that are more than 2 away from 0, so our number line corresponds with the solution set. One thing that you can use to remember is when we're talking about absolute value being bigger than a number, we're talking about getting more distance, moving away, moving away. So you can see the two arrows are pointing out. In example B, we have the absolute value of x is less than or equal to 3. So we're talking about x values that are 3 or less from 0. So 3 is our endpoint, 3 and -3. And values that are less than 3 from 0 are going to be in this shorter range here. So we use the closed circle because it's an or equal to. And then you want to determine which values, this part, this part, or this part, are less than 3 away from 0. So this one, we would connect the two endpoints. So with the distance being less than, we're talking about kind of a move in, get closer. Our line is connected there by the two endpoints. Okay, so in general, if you have the absolute value of some stuff less than a number, we have open circle that are connected. If we have the absolute value of stuff greater than a number, remember distance is moving away, give me some space, it's going to point outwards. If we have the absolute value of something less than or equal to 0, or a number, we have our two endpoints that are closed circles. And if we have the absolute value of something that is bigger than a number, we have our two closed circle endpoints, but the arrows are pointing outwards. Thank you for watching. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to contact me or stop by office hours.